Namaskar.
Namaskar.
As we know that feminism isn't about making women stronger. Women are already strong. It's about changing the way the world perceives their strength. This is the saying of great poet Anderson. So today we are here, me myself, Seema Professor Roy, founder of Projectual Foundation, and my friend Devjani Patikar, journalist by profession, and also founder of Ashmita Foundation. So we are here again at our sixth episode of Women Forum. Let's hear it. So we are here to discuss some value aspect of women and their achievement, their uh, entire journey of life. Because today women are entering into the workforce of various occupation, maintaining both home and outer world. Every woman is playing their best in their life road. So today we are here with uh, with a great personality at our show. She is LME Sinha Brace Hobart, all from Kolkata. Did her PG in biochemistry with specialization in radiation biology, and now working in Central Warehousing Corporation and heading the Business Development License and Coordination Office of Northeast Region and West Bengal. So I would like to invite our Elimi ma'am at our show. We are very glad to be uh, you to be here with our show at our show. So very very warm welcome to you. And now I would like to request you to say something about you first uh, and begin our talk show.
Okay.
So it's over to Ellie ma'am.
Firstly, thank you, Seema and Devjani, for giving me this opportunity to be in this show. As Seema has already said, I'm Emily Singha Brisabar, basically from Meghalaya. My mother is from Meghalaya and father was from Goa. But I was born and brought up in West Bengal, Kolkata, Durgapur. And so I consider myself more Bengali than from the Northeast. And
Yes, yes.
I'm actually more comfortable in the Bengali culture than my own culture. A small incident to start with. I was in my 11th grade when I first visited Shillong, my maternal uh, parents' home. And I went around, and first thing I noticed, there was no Hindi. So that was it. I straight away pressurized my mom that, nahi, nahi, I'm going to study here because Hindi was one of the factors that was always pulling my grades down. So that's how I came into Northeast. And within 6 months of my coming, of course, I was in the hostel. I lost my cousin brother. And
Oh.
as Khasi customary, I had to go over. So I took some of my friends and went over. And like, though the body, as you know, Khasi custom, body is kept for up to 3 days till all the relatives and uncle and aunties and everyone don't turn up.
Okay.
So body was there, and then one side there was body, and one side like literally a party, because you know that we take pork and chicken and everything. So one side big feast was going on, the other side the body was lying. Like I was totally dumbstruck. I
Okay.
just didn't know how to react because I had some friends also with me who were non-tribals, of course, who had come with me, and like they kept on telling me, "What sort of a custom is this?"
Mhm.
I just told my auntie I'm going. I didn't even have a glass of water. I left for the hostel. I came back crying, rang up my mother, like, what sort of a culture is this? A body is lying and you're like having sort of a feast type.
Mhm.
The other side, my auntie rang up my mom, what sort of a daughter have you brought up? Her own cousin, and she didn't even drink a glass of water and she left. So like it was a total
Mhm.
cultural shock for me, but then for them also it was, I was rather, for them, I was very rude since
Mhm.
it was my own cousin and I didn't even stay to have anything and just left. Of course, customary that we have to give something. I took whatever I had to give and I just left.
Mhm.
So that was the first time, like, having this shock. Then later I realized and then got over it. But then what I was trying to say is like, I believe again, like my mom, my
Mhm.
father was from Goa and so very anglicized in the culture. She
Mhm.
forgot to tell me about the tradition back home.
Mhm.
So when I came, I got like sort of jinxed up when I saw certain cultures. So
Mhm.
again, it is a woman. I'm not saying
Mhm.
that my mom is not strong. She's very progressive, very, she always thought forward, and unlike a Khasi lady, she was very open minded. But somewhere in between, like maybe she became submissive to the
Mhm.
culture where my father was brought up and things like that. So somehow she missed out on this. What I'm trying to say, sometimes women after marriage tend to give up what they learn from their nannyhal, maternal mother, pet, maternal side,
Hmm.
and they
Yes,
try
sir.
to
That's
adjust
true.
and adapt to
Yes.
the paternal side, which is again wrong. I
Mhm.
feel as a woman, we should give both sides equal
Yes.
opportunity. No doubt Meghalaya is a matriarchal society, but still, like, we are lucky to be that
Hmm.
society where the woman has the power, a lot of power, especially on the children and upbringing. Though now they are trying to balance, giving the father also an equal role, which I
Also.
feel is important. So basically, my thought process of a woman is she should not lose her identity.
Yeah. That's
And
true.
I will second Seema, who said that women are strong
Yes.
and getting stronger by the day. I would support
Bye.
that with one phrase. Phrase is, a woman is just like a tea bag.
Yeah.
The hotter the water, the more she displays her color.
Yes, ma'am.
We have that capacity within us to take as much as it comes, and we know how to wade through it. As they say that women are from Venus and men from Mars.
Ma'am.
So I
Yes,
feel
ma'am.
the
That's
Venian being closer to the sun, Venus planet being closer, has that power and a bright planet too. So women are more brighter, and God has made them that powerful because being again becoming a mother, giving birth is one of the best or most powerful strength a woman has. A man will not even be able to take one fourth of that pain.
yes. Yes, that's true, ma'am.
Therefore, women are strong. And
Yes.
again, I would like to add, I'm no, I'm no good in giving advice, but yes, don't let the critics discourage you or push you off the course. Sometimes when we are criticized or we are pushed, we tend to give in. As I told you, we tend to blend off or lay off.
Yes.
I don't think so that is
Hmm.
necessary. Today's women, I find, the younger generation, they are able to stand up. A recent movie, Thappar, many people thought it was very controversial, but I felt it is very, very necessary. Even
Yes.
as educated lot, we sometimes just, as I
Hmm.
told you, give it. ससुराल का pressure है,
Hmm.
husband का pressure है.
Yeah.
So we just give in. But then that's not
Hmm.
right.
Hmm.
You are an individual. That is
Hmm.
important. Now,
Hmm.
coming back to CWC. I joined CWC 1st October 1990, and exactly 30 years now. So it's been a long journey.
Long
I
journey.
joined as a
long
very
journey.
young girl of 35, 26 years. So like when I joined in CWC, then there were only two ladies as class one officers, of course. And many discouraged me. I joined in Mumbai. So everyone told me, like, where have you come?
Okay.
Truly
Mhm.
speaking, I didn't even know what was CWC when I joined and gave the interview. I knew very little of it because since I had done biochemistry and radiation, so I thought maybe I'll be working in the lab and things like that. But then it was a total different show.
Mhm.
There was a lot of
Mhm.
discouragement from everyone, men folks especially trying to push me off. Then I stood my ground. I
Mhm.
never gave in. I never asked for any compensation. I traveled alone.
Mhm.
Till joining CWC, my parents never let me travel. Even when I went to join CWC, my elder sister came along with me to Mumbai, got me
Mhm.
settled. And after that, I took my journey by myself. I used to go traveling because my job needed inspections, went to various places across
Yes.
India for inspection. And like in Mumbai again, like my first interaction, it was TW1. It's in Lower Parel, the warehouse, a huge warehouse near the port. So you had the port laborers, and here meet a tiny 5-footer, whereas they were all literally 6.5, huge guys, and trying to interact with them. At first, they pushed me aside. Till then, I have an app for learning languages. So within a week, I learned Marathi and I started giving command in Marathi.
Yeah.
So then they realized that he should be lucky. Then they said, कितना salary मिलता है तुम्हें? They were all taxpayers then. ऐसे देखो टैक्स पे कर सकते हो, पर तुम ओजन उठा के काम करते हो, मैं सिर्फ पेन
काम
उठा के
करते
लिखती हूँ.
हो.
So the pen is mightier than the book.
Much brighter than. Yes,
Exactly.
that's true.
It was
Exactly.
nice actually. And since I love traveling, that's one of my passion. Actually,
Mhm.
I still want to go around.
Mhm.
Maybe one day with this pandemic again, I'm locked in. Still, I'm trying to move around. I would love to travel across the world one day. Maybe before my retirement, I'll do that. So, like interacting with people,
Sure.
meeting different people, learning their culture, blending in. That's one of my, I mean, I like that. It's one
Yes.
of my hobbies, I
Yeah.
guess.
That's true.
Uh,
Ma'am, you have done the diploma in tourism, no?
Pardon?
You have done
Hello.
your diploma in tourism.
Yes, I did. From Indira Gandhi
Okay,
Open
okay.
University. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Uh, So
And
it's time to Devjani. Please, to carry on with your questions. Please come forward
uh,
and ask question.
Definitely. सबसे पहले तो मैम बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपको हमारे शो में. अगले 1 घंटा हम बात करेंगे विभिन्न क्षेत्र में विभिन्न विषयों पर. हेलो.
yes, I can hear you.
Uh-huh. Yes, yes.
हाँ हाँ मैम
बोलिए.
सबसे पहले तो मैम को मैं क्या बताऊं, बहुत अच्छे इंसान है. और करीब 4-5 साल पहले
हाँ.
शायद मैं एक रिपोर्टिंग के दौरान मैम के साथ मतलब जान पहचान हुई थी सबसे पहले.
Let's
इसके बाद
interrupt.
ये
I love
सिलसिला
to interrupt.
चलता रहा. एंड ये मैम बहुत अच्छे इंसान है और बहुत कोऑपरेट है. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगते हैं, बहुत अच्छे लगते
हाँ
हैं.
मैम,
सो
देवजानी
मैम
जी ने आपका रेफरेंस दिया कि आप बुलाओ
देवजनी, मैं मानती हूँ अच्छे लोगों को अच्छे लोग मिलते हैं. I believe
तूने नहीं
good
बोला
people meet good people.
सो मैम आपसे हम जानना चाहते हैं कि आप एक लंबा समय काम करते हुए विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में काम करते हुए बिताए हैं, तो कैसा रहा आपका ये अनुभव, जर्नी कैसा रहा आपका, इस लॉन्ग जर्नी? सो खट्टी मीठी अनुभव का थोड़ा
हाँ,
हमसे शेयर करें। आपका जो
शेयर
वर्क प्लेस में जितना आप काम करते हुए आपका जितना जैसा एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है, तो कुछ एक्सपीरियंस हमारे साथ, कुछ अनुभव हमारे साथ शेयर करें।
Surely. जैसे मैंने बोला, मेरे पहले पोस्टिंग मुंबई में हुई थी, एंड एज आई सेड अर्लियर, जब मैं पहली ज्वाइन की थी तो काफी नोक झोंक हुआ था। इवन पीपल, डिपॉजिटर्स, बाहर लोगों को भी बहुत इंटरफियर किए। आप कैसे इस बिजनेस में आ गए, आप कैसे इस ऑफिस में आ गए, लॉजिस्टिक इज नॉट फॉर विमेन। Like even initially, my then RM, I mean MD, जो थे, he was also a bit hesitant in taking a lady in a class 1 position, because they did have one bad experience with the previous one who was there. But then later he realized that nay, it was a good choice. And Mumbai was good, and as you know, work culture in Mumbai is very good. So I was thankful that I joined Mumbai, because वहां पे आप किसी को अगर पूछते हो कि भाई वक्त क्या है, आपको बताएगा अभी 9:02:40। पहले पहले मैं ताजुब हो जाती थी कि सेकंड में बता देते यार, ऐसा क्यों। तब पता चला कि एवरी सेकंड में अलग अलग रेलगाड़ियां चलती है। तो स्टैंडिंग इन अ स्टेशन, इफ यू आस्क समवन द ट्रेन, सॉरी,
अच्छा,
वो लोग आपको सेकंड में बताते हैं कि एवरी सेकंड फिर आपको कोई डुमरीवेली जाने वाली है, तो कोई बोरीवली जाने वाली है, तो
अच्छा,
ऐसा कर अलग अलग ट्रेन के लिए। सो पीपल गिव यू द इवन द सेकंड्स, सो यू नो एग्जैक्टली किस प्लेटफॉर्म में आपको जाना है। So that is how I experienced Mumbai. People had a very big heart, very progressive, and they never interacted or got into your personal life. Initially, I felt very lonely because coming from a small town, Mumbai was really huge, and it is one of the fastest and biggest cities of India. तो मैं शाम को, विश्वास नहीं करोगे, मैं रेलवे स्टेशन में खड़ी होके, I was staying in Bandra. I used to help all old people climb up, climb down. Initial 1 week मैंने ऐसे ही time pass किया. And with that, I got to know more people. I got a bigger circle of friends. Because वो जाके घर में बताते थे, तो उनके घर वाले मुझसे contact करते. So I didn't stay long in Mumbai. I was there only for 9 months. Because I got jaundice attack, and it was very bad. तो मेरा आरएम ने मुझे दिल्ली फोन की कि बेटी को ले जाओ, यहाँ मर न जाए वो। अब विश्वास नहीं करोगे, जब मैं मुंबई छोड़ रही थी, in 9 months of my going, I had nearly 1,000 people come drop me off in the rail line, in the station. जब गाड़ी छूटने वाली थी, मुझे लगा कि मैं गाड़ी से कूद जाऊं, सब कोई रोने लगा। मुझे लगा कि मुझे जाना चाहिए वहीं पे। Sorry. So it was beautiful experience, both work front and even people as a whole. Mumbai was very good. Then I came to Delhi head office. I was posted in head office. Head office Delhi का मालूम ही है। वहां पे again I got another shock, culture shock. ये हम नॉर्थ ईस्ट में लड़कियों को काफी सम्मानित करके रखते हैं, तो वहां फिर पहला दिन गए तो कोई उठ के बोलने वाला भी नहीं है। यूनियन कैरेक्टर्स तेरे आंख से देख के बैठ गए। विदिन 3 days माई इंटरेक्टिंग विद माई बॉस, उन्होंने बोला कि एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन तुम देखोगे। ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम, आई कैन सी एनीथिंग। तो एडमिन मैंने देखने शुरू किया, तो some people had their chashma on the table, their coat on the table, they were not there. मैंने 2 दिन ऑब्जर्व किया, सारा दिन चश्मा और कोट ही झूला रहता चेयर पे, आदमी सीट पे नहीं होता।
नहीं
तो
होता।
तीसरा दिन मैंने स्ट्राइकिंग करनी शुरू की, एब्सेंट एब्सेंट एब्सेंट। 3 दिन में पूरा आ गए। एक बोलता है, ए लड़की, दैट वाज द लैंग्वेज माइंड यू, ए लड़की क्या सोचती तू। आई जस्ट लुक्ड एट हिम, ए बे दरवाजा पीछे, पीछे जा आगे। Had to speak that language to get them to understand how to respect a woman. I got to their standard. As I बे दरवाजा पीछे, पीछे जा, नॉक करके अंदर आ तू।
अंदर करेक्ट।
2 में चली गई, ए में चली गई मैं। They were shocked. कभी सोचा नहीं था, because people from Northeast hardly know Hindi. Very broken, especially the people from Meghalaya and Nagaland. No? The Hindi is very poor. So initially that was like this guy, a union leader, he just got stumped. ऐसे मैं कह रही हूँ दरवाजा के पीछे जाओ, दरवाजा बंद करो, नॉक करो, फिर अंदर आओ। उसने ऐसा किया। सॉरी। इन द मीन टाइम मेरा बॉस, उन्हें खबर मिल गई कि मैडम को घेर लिया। बाय टाइम ही कुड कम डाउन, मैं उनके पास वापस जा रही थी। क्या हुआ? ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ। कहना है पीछे नीचे हंगामा हुआ। अन्य नहीं हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ। Are you sure? I said, yes, sir, very sure. Next day when I enter, all of them stand up. Good morning, Madam G. I said, good morning, G. Second day में Madam G आ गए। That's what I said. You get back what you show people. This is what my parents have brought me. I'm really very thankful to my parents. My father always told me I was the best and trust in yourself. And my mom always taught me to fight. A very small incident going back to childhood. I must have been in class 3 or 4. I went out to play. तो बड़े बड़े लड़कों ने मारपीट शुरू किया. I came home crying. मामा ने बोला क्यों रो रही हो? मारपीट हुआ। कहता तू रोते रोते घर आई, तो मुझसे बड़ा था। She said, so you don't know how to fight them. If you don't know how to fight, don't go to play and don't come back crying. That is what my mother told me. If you go to play, she said, you play and you don't come back crying. And if you're going to cry, then don't go out to play. I had 2 options. So next day I went, I challenged them. The same guys, they must have been huge. I challenged them. आओ, मुझे मारने, देखते हैं. So that was how I learned to fight back and to fight for my right, which my mother instilled in me from class 4 onwards. She said, you have to fight your own battle. Because she was the last parent to interfere in children's fight. And she told me I have to fight my own battle. So that's where I started learning to fight back, observe what the other person is doing, and give them back in the same language if they don't understand discipline. So gradually, things were good in head office also. Initially, again, being Delhi, the Jat community do not accept women very easily to be in that position.
Easily.
Yes.
They
Then-
will never accept women as a
Yes.
leading person.
Leading person or even at par. For them,
Yeah,
a
at
woman
par,
is
yeah.
like a doormat.
Doorman, yeah.
Yeah. So it was, I really had to fight. I won't say it was an easy go. I did have to fight. Sometimes even your co-workers, your co-colleagues try to push it off. But that is one thing I never learned. I always fought. And even today, I think in my organization, I have that due respect and they know I'm a fighter. Because I don't take any nonsense. I strongly don't believe in taking nonsense lying down. Not only in office, anywhere I see wrong, I always stand up for it. It has always been in me. Maybe from childhood, that's why as mothers, as women, we have to instill that into our children right from small. Nothing is impossible. It's a very important factor. I've got a young daughter of 11 years. So sometimes she used to also say, I can't before trying. I say, you have to try. You try and fail, I will help you. But without trying, you fail, I will not help you. We need to do that.
Yes.
And work front again, I've been holding different charges. I was in different, I was in quality control. Initially, actually, I did lose out on some of my promotions because I was in the quality control side. We call it the technical wing. And in technical wing, promotion is a bit slow. So I initially made some mistake in my career. Like I kept on sticking to technical, whereas some of my other colleagues, junior colleagues in the general line went ahead. It was only about 10 years back that I realized my blunder and I shifted to the general cadre. So from there now, I have got my promotions regularly, and today I'm in a very comfortable position.
Yeah.
So
It's
that
a
is the
very
journey
long
in CWC.
journey, no? Yeah.
It's a
It's a
long,
very long journey,
long
no?
journey.
Yes.
long journey.
I was in Kolkata as
Uh,
the regional manager, Kolkata,
Ma'am,
and just recently I have come here, and Madam Debjani was kind enough to come for the
Yeah.
inauguration and
Yeah,
covered the story for us.
she has referred me. Miss, you talk to Elimi ma'am. She will
Yes.
definitely come to our show. That's why I contact you.
Okay.
Uh, okay. What's your next question, Dejanji?
हाँ
Definitely.
हाँ
हाँ.
मैम मैं ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि मैम के बहुत सी प्यारी बेटी है तो मैम आप काफी मतलब आपको ट्रेवल करना पड़ता है काफी बाहर रहना पड़ता है तो आपकी फैमिली आपको किस तरह से सपोर्ट करते हैं और आप किस तरह से मैनेज करते हैं सब कुछ हम जानते हैं कि ये बहुत ही कठिन होता है एक लेडी के लिए दोनों साइड मेंटेन करना और आपके जीवन में प्रेरणा कौन है आपकी माँ आपकी बेटी कौन है आपके जीवन की प्रेरणा स्रोत
This is the main question actually. Who inspire you most in your life?
My inspiration in my life, my parents have been my inspiration.
This is
My parents
actually.
have thoroughly supported me.
Mhm.
I lost my father in 2013, so I really miss him. Otherwise, poor man used to be dragged along with me in all my
अच्छा
different promotes, transfers across Delhi,
अच्छा
Kolkata, again go back to Delhi. Delhi, I have been transferred 4-5 times.
हम्म
In all my transfer, my father was there with
हाँ
me.
हम्म
2013, I lost him in June. Of course, my transfer order had come in May,
Mhm.
and I could not change it. Though I had asked them to change it or give me a little more time because my father was very ill. But unfortunately, my office did not agree, and I think in some way that accelerated my father's illness. He just told me one thing I remember. Ja, he said, this time शायद मैं तुम्हारा साथ नहीं जा पाऊँ. I said, what do you mean?
He's having intuition, no?
Yes. So he's like, maybe I won't be able to go with you. And incidentally, transfer order came out on 25th May. I still remember the date. And I lost him on 11th June. So it was very painful. And then after that also, like on the day of his death, only after burial, like my mom had a small accident. She burnt, maybe absent-mindedly, she burnt both her feet. So for that, I extended my stay for another month or so. And my daughter was only 2.5 then, 2.5 or 3, I think. It was really very difficult to leave behind such a small child. But then my mom and my elder sister, I have an elder sister who is about 12 years elder to me, more of a mother figure to me. So she took care. And I take this opportunity, like every time I go off on transfer, my child, usually I leave it with mom and all to take care. My husband is very understanding that way. He does
Yeah,
support
yeah.
my
Uh-huh.
transfer and things like that. He has always been very cooperative in that matter.
This is
But
our question also. How your family support you? Uh,
yes, I do get support from them that way.
Uh,
But my mom, I'm thankful to my mom and elder sister. Like initially also, then also I left my daughter behind. Then last year again I got transferred. Of course, my daughter was here and I was coming and going. It became very taxable on me, both financially and even health wise. Because right now age is also catching up and I have some health issues.
mhm,
And just before the lockdown this year, because I was not sure I was coming back to Guwahati, so I transferred her to Shillong. I kept her with my mother.
okay.
Then she's studying there because online is going on. And then I got my transfer here. So maybe this year she'll be there, and next year I'll bring her back if I'm still here. One issue. As I said, my inspiration has been my mother has been a very strong lady to inspire me through. Though she was not very educated,
Mhm,
she's an under metric, but then she held the post of a matron in Red Cross. She also traveled the world,
mhm,
across the globe. She has traveled. She has a lot of travel experience, a lot of experience with her. And that's it. And now I live for my daughter, I suppose.
yeah, So, would you think, I mean, not like today's females, women are, how do you think this female get their means safety? How they can get their safety? And now in this crude world, how they get the safety from the entire world? This because today's in our today's is what to say in a very crude area means crude time. They are we ladies are facing very problems like nowadays getting no rapping and all teasing, chasing. These things are happening. So how do you think that you can get away from this?
As I told you, I have a lot of travel to do. One thing is, I always keep a small knife, the khasi knife. You've seen the khasi knife? I always keep that as one weapon in my bag. It is always it's one thing, along with the torch. These are two things that I always travel with. Anytime you can get that in my handbag, especially when I'm traveling. I ensured it did help me. Truly speaking, this was, of course, before joining duty. I mean, joining the organization. I had gone to Delhi to join my MPhil actually.
Uh-huh.
So that time, like, I was traveling from, what's this place? Panchil to Khan Market and back. While going, we went comfortably to Khan Market, and then I had to come back to Panchil. My uncle was staying there. And in between, like, I lost track. Like, it was already winter time, so it became dark. We had come almost to Hoskas, and then he asked me, Baya lo ya daya? I got confused. And this idiot took me in the wrong route. We reached almost Okla. I just saw these lines of trucks. I knew his intentions were not good. I just took out the knife, pulled his hair back, put the knife here. I said, if you stop anywhere, I don't know what will happen to me, but you are going to go. You will stop only in front of a police van. And I took him in that condition with his head pulled back with the knife stuck here. And we saw a PCR. Delhi, the PCR, there's a lot of PCR along the road. So we stopped there. I was talking to this police guy with the knife still stuck in his neck. I said, भैया मुझे पंचशील जाना है, ये आदमी मुझे यहाँ लेके आया. Looking, I realized it was Okla. Because I think the policeman didn't see the knife. He slapped him and his neck got cut a bit. And he started screaming. Blood started. Then the policeman saw that. क्या कर रही हो? मैंने उसको बोला कहीं और रुका तो मैं इसको काट लूंगी. The policeman just told him, turn around, go and drop her back. And of course, they on the wireless, they followed, and we reached home. When we reached home, the fare that time from Khan Market to Panchil was 12 rupees. I took out 12 rupees, I gave him. Are zyada hai. Then the policeman came, then they saw he beating, then they saw. I said, I just kept this, and that's it. So that is one incident. I would say, and like coming to the PSUs and the government sector, I think women, they do take the safety measures. Now all the offices have these camera. The camera is there, and we have a redressal cell where you can go and complain. And on traveling, I feel that they do send with your male colleagues are there sometimes. And in this Indian Oil and all that, they do have. All the organization now are taking protection. It is a the private sector where maybe some are failing, but I feel now even big organization do have these redressal cells, and they are taking cap cases. Even some private organization are fighting very well on this sexual harassment and things. Self safety for a woman, I feel she should have some. She should know maybe a little bit of martial art or something, or some skill. As I told, carry a small knife or spray is the best thing you carry. Pepper spray nowadays. That's
needed,
it.
ma'am, actually.
I feel. Yes.
This is needed.
It is needed for nowadays. Nowadays,
Yes.
this thing is required. Yeah.
Ma'am, ma'am, is code language helpful for the safety of the younger generation? What do you say?
Yes, some words, of course, it does help. It can help. And nowadays, you even have trackers. I was just seeing the smartphone with GPS also. You get nowadays the smartphone GPS tracker. You can call back. Yesterday only, I was just, rather my daughter suggested to me, like I told her, you go riding your cycle now because she's in Omroy. Like my sister can't follow her. So I said, you just go down. And she said, okay, get me a smartphone with tracker so you can track me. I said it was not a bad idea. So I feel that is, and I feel younger children should be taught the bad touch, the good touch. Because in most of the cases, if you go to see, the rape that is happening is with the people you know. Very rare cases where it has been unknown people, but most of the rape cases that has happened, it is with the people known to you.
Yeah.
So a girl child, as a mother to a girl child, you have to teach her the bad touch, the good touch, what she should do once she enters puberty. No, you have to take that care. It is important. Because somehow in Indian society we shy away to talk about sex. We shy away
अच्छा
to.
मैम हेलो
Yes. Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah. हाँ बोलो दीदी बोलो
सीमा हाँ अच्छा मैम आप स्ट्रीट डॉग्स के बारे में क्या कुछ खास करना चाहती है आप मुझे पता है कि आप स्ट्रीट डॉग्स के लिए काम किए हैं
I'm a great animal lover. Yeah. I mean, given a chance, I would fill my house with dogs, except that my mother doesn't allow, though I still have 6 dogs in Chillon. They're all local dogs, all indie brand. And I really tend to have, maybe it is something I'm planning after retirement, to have a shelter home for dogs. These abundant dogs. I do have that in mind. And now also, like, I do donate somewhere, something comes up, I do send some donation that way, but not being able to do in a big way. But I do want to do something for it.
Mm-hmm.
Not only dogs, I also have a plan. Rather, if you do remember Mr. Apsar Hazarika, ex-DC, he is a very dear friend. He is a very dear friend even now. I was planning to open up a cerebral palsy center
Wow,
for
that's great.
spastic children. Yes. I before joining CWC, I was with VHAM, Voluntary Health Organization Association of Meghalaya, where through them I had gone to Sini in Calcutta to work with these especially challenged children. And I even wanted to do my thesis rather with cerebral palsy. But that time when I was studying, non-medicals were not allowed to go continue or do their doctorate in this. And I still have, I mean, even till date, I do attend seminars and voluntarily I do go.
Yeah.
I used to even go to Mother Teresa's earlier when they had children, especially challenged children. I used to go and visit, help out. I mean, I feel connected to them somehow. I feel like they are more normal than us, though we have all our organs in place. Sometimes I find that we are very handicapped.
Handicap. That's true, ma'am.
Yes.
That's true.
Whereas some of them are so good with all their shortcomings. Still, the way they interact, the way they communicate, it's wonderful. Maybe I'm looking into that. I'm seeing things how I can go about it.
Good.
And nowadays
Good
with
idea.
all these apps and things like that, I mean, maybe I can start something, get some people with same thinking on it. And because if I build, I want to build it in a real, very world class, not just for the sake of doing things. I would like to have a research study with it, things like that.
একদম একদম
Ma'am, in
Hopefully, I
future,
get it.
how? Yeah, ma'am. In future, how and what kind of work will you do for women? As you are in women forum, so we should think about the women also. So that's
First
why I'm
thing,
asking.
what I would
Yeah,
like all the women to think is they should have that self-confidence.
yeah, that's true. That's true.
I
That's the
really
first thing.
believe that it is what we make of ourselves,
Mm-hmm.
Truly speaking, life was not easy for me also. I may have been my father's princess, but then life beyond the family or after my parents' house was not the same. Like many things came and I had to really fight it. But only thing that really helped was the confidence that was built in.
Yes, yes.
Even today in educated families also, somehow the girl child is not given that apt. Except for Bengali family. Sorry, I'm not being impartial. But in the Bengali family, I have seen they do not differentiate much between boy and a girl,
Yeah, yeah.
at least the
In Bengal.
urban lot. But in the other communities, even now, they have, I mean, you can see a sort of a glass ceiling still between the two.
In fact, in the Bengali family also, there is a glass feeling
Not
in
much
between girl
actually.
and woman.
The people that I have mixed around, or maybe I don't know, in Durgapur we had a very mixed community, a cosmopolitan
Yeah,
community,
actually
where we
nowadays we are.
never felt it that way. And truly speaking, all my friends today are very well placed across the globe. I just connected with my Durgapur school friends very recently, and like it feels good to see that. And even their thought process, maybe the thought process that we were put in school, I'm thankful to my school friends also, and my teachers, especially Mrs. Chitra Gupta, then Miss Uma Sen, Mrs. Chaudhary, who recently just passed away. These were some teachers who were very inspirational. There was a lady, one teacher we had, Mrs. Verma. She had come for a very short term, who was teaching Hindi. And truly speaking, she was the first Hindi teacher who made me feel Hindi was good. And she got me to like
Hindi is
the
our
subject.
Hindi is our national language. It's
Yes, not that way,
Matribhasha
but
of Bharat.
prior to that, I had teachers who always, I was just on the bottom line, just about managed to get my pass mark for Hindi. So this teacher somehow made me get it into 60s. I started getting into 60s after she joined. She got us into it somehow. So I'm thankful to her. And one person I would love to mention is my professor in university, Dr. A.N. Rai. He was the head of biochemistry, and he was also dean of biochemistry. Life science. An incident, a small incident again. That day, rather, it was the third day that NEHU was into total strike. We had no clerical staff around, except for the few professors. Everyone was on strike. And I was applying to Ohio University. And I needed some certificate to be typed. And I was at a total loss. I was running from pillar to post, but no one was there. Even the area around there, no typist, nothing. I came back, I was sweating because I had to send that letter that day. My professor saw me. He did that. Come, what happened? As this certificate had to be typed. So he gave his typewriter. Type. I looked at him up and down like, what? He says, I don't know how to type. Just looked at me up and down, took the paper, he typed it. Then he looked up. He didn't complete words. So some words were left. He looked at me. Do you think I have become a typist? I just looked shocked. Then he said, become self-reliant. You don't have to depend on others.
Depend on others. Yeah.
Yeah, small things, but learn it. It comes handy. Of course, today with computer it is easy, but then back then there was no computers, so typing. It was only typing we had, so he typed and gave it to me. That day I realized it was a small action he did, but it meant a lot to me. I got a chance to apply in Ohio. But what he taught me is no job is menial.
Yeah.
Every job has its own value,
Every job.
and learn everything. So you are totally independent. You don't have to depend on someone. Sometimes, like, you want to go out, you don't know how to drive. You ask your husband, he's busy. You ask your son, he has his own. The driver may be sick. Then you're stuck. So that way, like, we as women are multitaskers, and somehow our brain and God gave us that power to be multitaskers. So we can do it.
Yeah,
Exactly.
we are multitasker.
Yeah.
Yes.
Coming back to the subject of how women, that's what I said. I would really love them to have the self-confidence. There's one thing I learned. There are some friends of mine. They were into networking, and I still remember one of them, Mr. Shushil Pachnanda. He told me one thing: learn how to fish. Don't give the fish to eat. Teach a person how to fish instead of giving them the fish to eat. If you give them the fish to eat, then they learn to be dependent and they keep on looking for someone else to come and give them the fish. But you teach them how to fish, they will learn to catch their own fish. So what I would really want to do is maybe teach some skills. I'm very good in stitching also. Okay, I'm a good tailor. I'll show you one of my dresses stitched by me. So maybe something that way I could teach. And then nowadays coding is very
You are
important.
multitasker, no? Yeah.
Yes. Coding is very important. So maybe they should go into coding, learning coding. And one more field that is getting lost is shorthand. You don't get people nowadays learning shorthand, so that is also a very safe job. I think someone, the girls who cannot go beyond, even in class 12, class 11, they can learn shorthand, and many offices would take them. Because nowadays you don't get PAs to take shorthand. Everything is on computers. Sometimes
On computer, yeah. Everything
Yeah.
is on computer. It's much easier
Yes.
also.
Yeah, that's also a skill.
मैम मैं एक बात कहना चाहती हूँ, ये मेरा पर्सनल है, आपसे अनुरोध है कि हम जो गए थे वो शिशु ग्राम में, आपको याद है आमीन गांव शिशु ग्राम में जो हम गए थे,
एक्चुअली
तो
यू
उनके
वोंट बिलीव दिस, जानी मैं किसी को ढूंढ रही, कोई स्पॉन्सर्स ढूंढ रही हूँ to help
एकदम
out,
एकदम हाँ
I'm looking
मैम
for sponsors.
इन बच्चों को ये जो कोड लैंग्वेज है इनको सिखाने में मदद कर सकते हैं, हम जरूर हम भी आना चाहते हैं। अगर ऐसा हो, संभव हो तो किसी दिन तो मुझे बुला लीजिएगा, मैं जरूर इन लोगों को सिखाने में अच्छा हमें हम भी आपके साथ रहेंगे।
हम आपके साथ
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
हाँ, कुछ मतलब कुछ अच्छा करने का मतलब इरादा से अच्छा लगता है एकदम।
हाँ जरूर,
तो
आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड। मैं कुछ लोगों को जुगाड़ कर रही हूँ, कुछ I mean to really give them that sponsorship and help. And a few of them, I mean, I've been trying to get some things for them myself. Go ahead and
एकदम बहुत बहुत अच्छा होगा। हम लोग ऑलरेडी सीमा, हम लोग ऑलरेडी लास्ट पोर्शन में आ चुके हैं, तो मैम आप कोई मैसेज देना चाहते हैं तो आप कुछ एनी मैसेज आप फॉर द व्यूअर्स,
for the women especially and girls.
Yes. Yes, especially girls, young generation.
Young generation.
Young generation today are very smart. They're smarter than us. They outsmart us. But yes, they believe in only one message.
Absolutely right.
They believe in Google Baba.
Google Baba.
They're totally Google dependent.
Google Baba.
Right,
This is something very bad. I find nowadays children don't like to read, don't really like to acquire this. They just go into Google. So it is Google Baba, Zindabad. I feel we should. Because sometimes when you do not have networking, you don't have internet connection, then you're totally lost. So we should inculcate.
Right.
The only message I would like to give again is believe in yourself. It is very important. This is one game I play, all of you. Just please do this. Make an L and bring it down. Bring it down. Bring it down.
Yeah.
We point, wo karega, Bhagwan karega.
Yes.
3 fingers pointing back at you. Main kuch nahi karungi.
Yes. That's true.
3 fingers back at us. But we still say that uska dosh hai, Bhagwan ka dosh hai, mera dosh nahi. So that should change. It should be reversed that way. I, capital I should try. I don't try. I will never maybe. Yes. It is very important.
Very important है.
And self confidence. अपने आप पे विश्वास करो. आप जितने भी आप मार भी खाते हो, अपने आप ही खाते हो. Because you allow that man started with that movie. उस दिन उसने पहला थप्पड़ मारा. उसने रिएक्ट, अगर रिएक्ट नहीं करता, थप्पड़ से घुसा हो जाता, घुसा से फिर लात हो जाती. Exactly how much you give, that is what you get back. The day you learn to stand up, I mean, maximum क्या हो, घर से निकाल देगा, घर से निकाल दे, आप एजुकेटेड नहीं हो, बस घर में बर्तन मांज सकते हो, कुछ ना कुछ तो कर ही सकते हो ना. भगवान ने 2 हाथ दिए आपको यार. You can do a lot of things with it.
ठीक.
I mean, I was inspired by my servant girl. She is slightly mentally retarded, slight degree. But I still keep her because the zeal of her to keep her family going, she's come out to work. And I thought this girl, she has that much, though she's little bit off, उसका साहस देखो, वो बाहर निकली है क्योंकि वो कमाती है तभी उसको माँ को रोटी
हाँ,
मिलता है.
रोटी मिलता है एकदम एकदम. हाँ.
That is the only reason. Like
ठीक है.
half the time I have to do the things myself again. But I
हम्म.
still keep her because I feel like at least एक घर का चूल्हा तो जल ही रहा है ना.
जल ही रहा है. हाँ हाँ. ठीक
और
ठीक.
उसका जो जोश है, उसका जो सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस है, I didn't want that to break. So that is the like my mom, my सासू माँ, everyone, इसलिए इसको
हाँ.
रखी हो. आज जो भी है मेरे लिए ठीक है. Because really, she is scary. I mean, her wired is screwed little differently. Sorry for the language.
Exactly.
Like she is linked up differently, but if you leave that portion out, she's still doing things. So that means a lot.
एकदम.
And she's the best caretaker for my child.
ठीक ठीक.
देखने में थोड़ा अजीब सा है. जो पहले दिन आई तो मैंने अपना बेटी को ही पूछा. I mean, थोड़ा this thought here because of the fact mentally retarded.
Retarded.
Slightly थोड़ा डिग्री इधर उधर. तो मैंने अपने बेटी को पूछा, चलेगी बेटी? She was then 2 years old. उसको देखा, उसने 3 क्वेश्चन पूछा उसको. आप मेरे साथ खेलोगे? बोलता हाँ. मैंने कभी कभी ना पैंटी में पोटी कर देता, अब साफ करोगे? तो करोगे? कभी कभी मैं ऐसे ही रो देती हूँ. आप मुझे डांटोगे तो नहीं? तो she said, नहीं डांटूंगी. Those 3 questions is done. Mama, रख लो.
Exactly.
I just saw how she reacted to my child then. My baby was only 2.5. But then I saw that confidence that yes, she would take care, and really she did take care fantastically. I mean, she's my girl Friday. So that's what I would like to say
So
to all.
sweet.
I would like to again thank both you and Seema ji and Debjani ji. Thank you very much
Thank
to
you
give
so
me this
much for
opportunity.
so much.
And
we are
Jai Hind.
glad that you have come to us, have shared some views with us, and the views with our viewers also, and sharing everything with us. So we are glad, ma'am. We are glad.
नहीं, you gave me the opportunity. That's why I am here with you. I am thankful for that. And again, I say, women, we
Thank you
have
so
to
much.
be strong together. If we
Yes,
are not
ma'am.
strong, everyone will
Yes.
take us for a ride.
Exactly. Yeah.
Maybe some other time I'll tell you the shortfalls that I had in my life and how I still stood strong. Okay then. Thank you very much.
Thank you
See you,
very much.
Debjani, soon.
Thank you so
Bye-bye.
much, ma'am.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye
Thanks a lot.
bye. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So this is the end of our program, and hope you all like it. And we welcome all others lady to come forward, being with us, and share your views, share your life journey with us. We will be very pleased. So come forward, and we will be very happy. Thank you so much. This is the end of our show. Now we are ending it. Namaste, Shubhratri to all. Thank you.